we are looking at the Hornby Railroad TTS DCC fitted Flying Scotsman. It says, what's it say? It says R3284 TTS. Let's look at that. Let's get it out of the box. It's usual Hornby style packaging. And there's the loco inside this usual polystyrene. And get it out. And there we have it. Not all that heavy, and the tender is quite light. There's a piece of black foam that's between the tender and the loco, so let's take that out. Let's look at this. There's one of these that is held in place by the tender, and the loco is held together by two screws. It can't actually become detached. Right, now let's get it up close and personal, as Sam says. You get this leaflet with it which tells you, which says digital TTS sound, twin track sound, LNER 462 Flying Scotsman A1 class, sound decoder manual. And here is listed all the functions that it has. Whistle 4 bursts, whistle 2 bursts, door slamming, wheel slip, so on. Loco from a distance. Let's zoom in for a closer look, starting with the front of the loco. Here we can see the loco has a standard tension bar coupling, and it's fitted into, I think it's fitted into an NEM pocket. The buffers are not sprung. Along a bit further we see the name Flying Scotsman above the wheel in the middle. This look, we see that the name Flying Scotsman is quite clearly defined, and we also notice there's quite a lot of detail above the toll bar here. Number 4472, which is the LNER running number. It's the tender, which has the LNER for London North East Railway. The loco is another standard tension lock coupling. And again, of course, the buffers are not sprung. I'm going to do the speed and noise test. For this, I'm going to be using a H&M Duet controller. The H&M Duet controller I'm going to be using. So let's just turn that to see. Okay, that's working. So you can see it works fine on analog. So if you've only got an analog controller, it works great. It's an analog locomotive. Plug in the DCC controller. The DCC command station is flashing a green light, which means it's ready to accept commands. We need to enter the number of the loco. It says select location, so we're going to put 4472. Then click the tick. So now we operate, that should work. You can see that as a DCC loco it will travel much more slowly than it will do as an analogue motor. Analogue. See, on DCC, the slow speed test is extremely slow. It will do a very slow crawl on DCC. Right, now it's time to get it up on the layout, I think. The first sound to try is background steam cylinder exhaust coasting. Next sound is the whistle. It's 4 bursts, whistle 3 bursts, whistle short burst, doors slamming, F6 wheel slip, F7 coal shovelling, F8 blow down, F9 safety valve, F10 ejector, guard's whistle, coupler crank, fireman's breakfast, right. Let's turn that off and let's go and see what happens.